Most people don't know that my main instrument is actually the theremin. There is only one problem. Unlike the more expensive models, my theremin doesn't allow me to play low bass notes. The sound just stops and you can't go any lower. Without low bass notes, I simply can't fully express myself as an artist. Which is why we will install this third-party bass extension module. Let's begin. Seems like the low bass is working. Let's now test the control voltage outputs. The CV outputs allow me to play an external synthesizer with the antennas of the theremin. It seems I cannot play any lower than before, but the CV outputs are still working really well after the modification. The real fun begins when you use the volume antenna to control the filter of the synthesizer. However, doing only one modification? How uncharacteristic for a man of my profession. Let's give the theremin also a new look. Wow, this looks absolutely disgusting. I should have never added the fade to black on the edges. Also, the glue failed me on the corners. Maybe I didn't do enough sanding before applying the wood. A too flat surface gives the glue nothing to hold on to, especially when using wet dye. But giving up is not an option. Let's try again. Seems like carpenting is a complicated profession. Don't you agree? Yes, an embarrassment, no more. But don't look too closely, as I still need to polish out the many imperfections. But I have to wait 3 more weeks for the epoxy to be fully cured. But now, if you would excuse me, time to play.